Hi, my name's Aaron Lostness, and today I'm going to cover the preterite tense in Spanish, AR verbs. In this lesson, we're going to cover the rules for the preterite tense, and then I'm going to show you how to conjugate the verbs. We're going to go over some regular and irregular verbs, and then we're going to practice using them in a sentence. So the rules for the preterite, it's a fixed point of time. We bought the shoes last night. Compramos los zapatos anoche. A specific number of actions. She saw the movie twice. Ella miró la película dos veces. An enclosed amount of time. I talked on the phone yesterday. Hablé por teléfono ayer. So this is how you conjugate regular AR verbs. We're going to use hablar to talk and mirar to see. You replace the AR and you add the appropriate ending. So I is yo, you use the e. So I saw would be yo miré. Now there's a couple ways to say you in Spanish. If you're familiar with a person, you use tú. So you talked would be tú hablaste. For él, ella, and usted, which is you for formal, you use o. So she saw would be ella miró. The nosotros form uses amos, which is the same form for the present tense. We talked would be nosotros hablamos. And ellos, ellas, and ustedes use aron. They saw is ellas miraron. Okay, let's cover some irregular AR verbs in the preterite. Verbs ending in GAR, you insert a U before the E. So, llegar is yo llegué, I arrived. Verbs ending in CAR, the C changes to a QU before the letter E. So, explicar is the verb. Yo expliqué, I explained. And verbs ending in ZAR, the Z changes to a C before the letter E. So, almorzar is the verb. You would say, yo almorcé, I ate lunch. And other verbs that have irregular endings are andar, estar, and dar, but we'll cover those later. So these are 10 common AR verbs. I'm only going to conjugate the I, you, and they form. For the you form, I'm going to alternate between tú and usted, so you get practice using both of them. Mirar, to look or to watch. Yo miré, tú miraste, ellos miraron. Now you say it. Dar, to give. It has an asterisk by it, so it's irregular. Yo di, usted dio, ellos dieron. Trabajar, to work. Yo trabajé, tú trabajaste, ellos trabajaron. Pensar, to think. Yo pensé, usted pensó, ellos pensaron. Cambiar, to change. Yo cambié, tú cambiaste, ellos cambiaron. Comprar, to buy. Yo compré, usted compró, ellas compraron. Estar, meaning to be. Yo estuve, usted estuvo, ellos estuvieron. almorzar, to eat lunch. Yo almorcé, tú almorzaste, ellas almorzaron. We just covered this rule in the slide before. Explicar, to explain. Yo expliqué, usted explicó, ellos explicaron. And hablar, to speak. Yo hablé, tú hablaste, ellos hablaron. Okay, now we're going to practice using these verbs in a sentence. I'm going to say it and then you repeat it. I was in the bathroom when the phone rang. Estar and sonar. Yo estuve en el baño cuando sonó el teléfono. They brought lunch for us yesterday. Comprar. Compraron el almuerzo para nosotros ayer. She gave me a card for my birthday. Dar. Ella me dio una tarjeta para mi cumpleaños. I ate lunch at the cafeteria. Almorzar. Yo almorcé en la cafetería. I watched the movie. Mirar. Yo miré la película. They worked at the movie theater on Sunday. Trabajar. Ellos trabajaron en el cine el domingo. You thought it wasn't good. Pensar. Two ways to say it. Tú pensaste que no es bueno. O usted pensó que no es bueno. It depends on if the person you're talking to is somebody that you're familiar with or whether you're being formal. Use usted for formal and tú if you're familiar. I changed the sheets on my bed. Cambiar. Cambié las hojas en mi cama. I spoke yesterday. Hablar. Yo hablé ayer. I explained the problem. Explicar. Expliqué el problema. Now you notice here it ends in an A, but it's L. This is one of the rare circumstances where a word that ends in A doesn't use la. Okay, we reached the end of another lesson. I also have the preterite for ER and IR forms available. You can go to alostness@hotmail.com and email me. I can send you all of these lessons on your iPhone, or you can go to www.losslessgroup.com/Spanish_lessons. There's about 30 to 40 more lessons accompanied with workbooks to help you through. Thank you very much.